The Boy Who Never Gave Up. Once upon a time, there was a small village. In that village, there lived a boy named Sam. Sam was a simple boy. He lived with his mother and father in a small house. They were not rich, but they were happy. Sam loved to learn new things, but he was very slow in learning. Other children learned fast, but Sam did not. In school, many children laughed at Sam. They said, "You are not smart. You will never be successful." Sam felt very sad. Sometimes he cried at night. But his mother always said, "Sam, never give up. Keep trying." One day, Sam asked his teacher, "Teacher, why am I not good like others?" The teacher smiled and said, "Everyone is different, Sam. Some people are fast, some people are slow. But slow does not mean weak." These words stayed in Sam's heart. One day, a big announcement came to the village. There would be a running race for children. The winner would get a gold medal. All the children were excited. They laughed and said, "Sam should not join. He's too weak." Sam felt afraid, but he remembered his mother's words, "Never give up." That night, Sam told his parents, "I want to join the race." His father was surprised, but his mother smiled and said, "Try your best. That is enough." From the next day, Sam started practice. Every morning, he woke up early. He ran slowly on the village road. At first, he got tired very fast. His legs hurt. He wanted to stop. But he said to himself, "I will not stop. I will try again." Day by day, Sam became stronger. He still ran slow, but he did not stop. Other children laughed when they saw him, but Sam did not listen to them. Finally, the race day came. Many people gathered in the village. All the children stood at the starting line. Sam was standing at the end. His heart was beating fast. He was scared. The teacher said, "Ready, set, go." All the children ran very fast. Sam started running slowly. Soon, other children went far ahead. People whispered, "Sam will lose." Sam felt tired. His legs were shaking. He wanted to stop. Then, he remembered his mother's face. He remembered her words, "Never give up." Sam kept running. Slow, but steady. One by one, some children became tired. Some children fell down. Some stopped running. But Sam did not stop. He kept moving forward, step by step. At the last turn, only 2 children were running. One was very fast. The other was Sam. The fast boy slipped and fell. Everyone was shocked. Sam saw him fall. He stopped. He went back and helped the boy stand up. He said, "Are you okay?" The boy nodded. Sam smiled and ran again. Sam crossed the finish line. The village became silent. Then, everyone clapped loudly. Sam did not come first. He came second. But the teacher walked to Sam and said, "Sam, you are the real winner." The teacher gave Sam a special medal. It was called the Never Give Up Medal. The teacher said, "You showed courage, kindness, and patience." Sam's parents had tears in their eyes. They were proud of him. From that day, no one laughed at Sam. Children respected him. Sam learned an important lesson. Success is not about being fast. Success is about never giving up. Sam grew up to be a strong and kind man, and he always remembered his mother's words. Never give up. The end.
Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel, EStories, for more simple English stories. Press the bell icon to never miss a new story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.